don't freak out, Mary. Quit freaking out. You're not going to hurt it. Wherever you want to do it.
Ready?
I'm ready, Mary. You are. So you can't do that. You're not talented enough.
Keep yours steady.
There you go. You're in love with going the way you can't see. It's the first time you've done that, though, I understand.
But look at it. That's good.
It's an excellent weld, considering you couldn't see where you were going. But you had the timing down, and you had the movement down.
So when you go this way, you can see where you're welding and how close the tip is and everything.
Yeah, and get your face down in there so you see where your wire is hitting the metal. Steady your hand.
You ready?
Yes. Sounds good. Yeah, it sounds like bacon frying. That's what you want to hear.
That looks really good.
You don't have to post flow on these.
Oh, you know?
There is no post flow. It's over. Mary,
That looks good.
you're a MIG welder.
No, monkey. Monkey. That's really good.
That is an excellent.
That's totally perfect.
Very nice job, Mary. And considering you're that close to the edge of the metal, see how I just took it off and did a dive? That's excellent. You can do MIG perfectly. Dig in a little MIG. TIG. Tungsten inert gas, metal inert gas. Alright, helmet's down. Why don't you do that crease? Pretend that's two different pieces of metal. You're going to fuse them together. So when you do the little surly and the C's, you're going to go onto each piece of metal to join them together.
Okay.
Mary, move towards the Mustang so we can get a good shot of Kara. There you go. Mary, you're really going to freak out when you see all the sparks that are hitting you. Damn, you're putting a lot of heat in sheet metal. You pass. Son of a bitch. Fuck. You are incredible.
Thanks. Perfect. This looks more steady than what's
That's just shit that comes out of the well. Most of that's called silicone.
Oh.
So there's some impurities, there's some stuff on the material. Well, you won't see it, but there's a bunch of little holes in your outfits right now. But that's okay. Yeah, you'll notice them in about a month when you wash them for the third or fourth time and the holes get bigger.
That's why we're old.
That's what I said. The video, you'll see them all hitting you.
But you have to be careful, like with fires.
Nah, not